Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
I woke up early and made some tea. I cleaned my room before going outside today. I watched a funny movie late last night. I called my mother after a very long trip. I cooked dinner and invited my friends over. I walked to school because it was sunny. I studied hard and passed my English exam. I played football with my classmates after school. I listened to music while doing my homework. I washed my hands before eating my breakfast. I finished my project and sent the final report. I started a new job at a small company. I worked all day and felt really tired. I learned new words and practiced every evening. I opened my shop early and sold fresh bread. I wrote an email to my English teacher. I taught a friend how to use a computer. I attended a meeting and discussed our future goals. I studied accounting at the local community college. I read a book about successful business people. I went to Paris and visited the Eiffel Tower. I took a train from London to Manchester yesterday. I flew to Spain and stayed near the beach. I drove across Italy and saw beautiful mountains. I packed my bags and left early this morning. I booked a hotel near the city center. I missed my bus and walked to the station. I bought souvenirs and sent postcards to friends. I explored the old town and took many photos. I returned home after 2 wonderful holiday weeks. I visited my grandmother and helped her cook lunch. I played board games with my family last Sunday.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
I hugged my father when he came back home. I celebrated my birthday with cake, music, and friends. I called my best friend to share the news. I laughed a lot and talked about old memories. I helped my brother fix his broken bicycle. I met new friends at a summer camp yesterday. I went shopping and bought matching t-shirts together. I stayed home and watched cartoons with my sister. I felt sick and went to see a doctor. I took some medicine and rested the whole day. I visited the hospital to check my blood pressure. I caught a cold after walking in the rain. I exercised every morning and became much stronger. I drank warm tea and slept for 10 hours. I cooked healthy food and avoided eating sweets. I swam in the pool and felt very refreshed. I hurt my leg while playing basketball outside. I took a shower and felt much better later. I felt happy when I saw my old friend. I cried because the movie was very sad. I smiled when I heard the good news. I got angry when someone broke my phone. I was surprised by a big birthday party. I missed my family when I lived abroad. I felt nervous before my first job interview. I enjoyed the concert and danced all night long. I relaxed after finishing my final university exam. I laughed so hard that my stomach started hurting. I bought some fruits and vegetables at the market. I paid for lunch and left a little tip. I spent too much money on unnecessary clothes. I saved my salary to buy a new phone. I sold my old car and used public transport. I found a wallet and returned it to someone. I chose a dress and tried it in the store. I ordered pizza and shared the bill equally. I borrowed some money from my best friend yesterday. I received my paycheck and felt proud of myself.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.